Pedantic is an adjective that describes someone overly concerned with formal rules, minor details, or academic precision, often in a way that comes across as nitpicky or showy. Origins: the word derives from the French pedant and the Italian pedante, meaning teacher or schoolmaster. It entered English in the late 16th century, carrying a slightly negative connotation of being overly focused on minute details. Explanation and usage: pedantic typically characterizes a person or behavior that prioritizes correctness or knowledge in a way that can feel tedious, pompous, or unnecessarily meticulous. Example sentences: her pedantic insistence on using precise grammar annoyed her friends during casual conversations. The professor's pedantic approach to teaching often left students bored. Cultural significance: the term is often used to critique people in academic, professional, or social settings who focus excessively on trivial aspects, sometimes at the expense of broader understanding or enjoyment. Synonyms: nitpicky, focusing excessively on small, unimportant details. Bookish, overly devoted to academic knowledge. Didactic, inclined to teach or lecture excessively. Antonyms: relaxed, easygoing and unconcerned about details. Informal, casual, and without strict adherence to rules. Flexible, willing to adapt or compromise. Key takeaway: pedantic describes a focus on precision and correctness that can sometimes overshadow practical communication or broader understanding. It's a word often used to critique rigidity in thought or behavior. Subscribe.